this on here. We're going to mark where we're going to cut. I can weld right there. That's a good cut. So then we take this one that we just did. It's still hot. You can see that from the different color. And you mark that cut. Take our hacksaw blade. There we go. It's no wrapping it hard. It's just just little taps, very little. If it doesn't come apart, you saw on it some more. Okay. So my next step is going to be I really need to weld these electrodes on first. So this is welding on the electrodes. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a piece of tape and we're going to put it on this edge because it's sharp. So put the piece of tape on there and we poke a hole in it. I normally have a ballpoint pen sitting around here, but I'll use this. You poke a hole in it and then you put your silicone boot on there so that it doesn't cut it, and you'll have it for a long time. If you don't do that, you will have it for a short time. So we take our rag and we wipe out where the electrode's going and weld. I like to blow on it. Okay. I've got my torch holder here ready for me. Okay, I got a 12 mil tubulated electrode. Okay, so what we do is we come in here. I'll have to go overhead and warm everything up. I like to suck a little bit when I start. Okay, actually I'm going to put this electrode on this holder. So you shrink down the 12 mil electrode. You heat up the 10 mil, and when you touch together, you suck a little bit. And 99% of the time, it will seal. Then you blow and you push a little bit. That gathers everything up and makes everything nice and thick. Heat it up really good. Now I'm going to take the fire away and blow. Blow. Stretch. Blow. Stretch. Go to the table. Uh-oh. Go to the table. That fire is out, so it ain't going to hurt a thing. And you make this straight. There we go. Then you pick up your fire. Alright, so there's one. And then here's the other one. You got to do the same thing with the tape. I have some ripped short pieces of tape over here already stuck to under my table here I can grab. Put that on. Put a weight on here. Put electrode, non-tubulated standard electrode into the electrode holder. So I can go underneath now. I don't have to hold the flame overhead like I did on the last one like this. I'm going to hold it down here. Okay.